Hi, welcome to Liang Mathematics again. So today we'll be using this fx-570 ms, okay, to solve our what? To solve our quadratic equations. Okay, so first of all, like the standard way of understanding your general form, all those things, assume that you know already, because my main thing here is to show you how to use a calculator to hack your questions over here. Because suppose in your normal modern maths calculations, everything, right? So you have to use a proper try and error method, okay, where some of the teachers say it's an X method, okay? So suppose you're using that, but now what we're doing here is to hack backwards, okay? Hack backwards on how to complete your full marks, okay, in your exam. Now, so over here I prepared 3 cases for you already, okay? 3 cases for you already. So what happened here is you have your x squared plus x minus 12 equals to 0, and everything is in a proper ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 sequence. So what I mean is this, can you see the a, the plus b, the plus c, and there is x squared, there is x with power 1, and there is nothing over here, which is no x. So when you come into this case, like the same thing, and same applies to your case 2, it's just that instead of x it becomes y. You see, y squared, y and without y, x squared, x and without x. So all these things are perfectly there already. Now, so in order to do that, right, first thing, okay, focus on how I press on. First of course, you have to on. So after you're on, you press your mode 1, 2, 3, 3 times. 3 times. Then after that, you select EQN, equation, you press 1. So once you press 1, this big button in front of you with the copy and the replay button, you press to the right. So you select 2, okay, degree, select 2. Then after that, you enter into A. So what is A? Which is your general form. A, the first number. So as you can see over here, the A, okay, I just write it at the side, like A, B, and C. So A, you have 1, okay, nothing means 1. Then after that, you have your B, which is plus 1 means 1 again. Then C, it's your minus 12. So after you get this done, now, so I will be inserting my 1 equal, then my B is 1 equal, C is negative 12 equal, you'll be getting 3 as the first one. So leave a space, write x equals to 3, comma, equal it one more time, okay, get the next answer, because there's x1 and x2. Sometimes you will get x only, then you have to repeat it 2 times, okay? So you get x equals to negative 4. Okay, this is the x answer, but to gain full marks in your exam, right, you have to insert equals to 0, okay, in modern maths. So we have to work backwards. So the working backwards is just a trick to go backwards. It's not a proper way of doing it, because suppose it should be in this sequence, okay? It's supposed to be this way. It's just that now we go backwards, okay? We are going backwards to hack the answer. So plus 3, you bring it over, you get a minus 3 lah. So x minus 3. So minus 4, you bring it over, you get a x plus 4. So how you get your, okay, that's how you get your complete factorized answer, by using your calculators, okay? So now, of course, I have to teach you on how to reset it back, okay? Reset it back. So how you reset? So you press your shift mode, and after that you press 2 or maybe 3, it's up to you. So you can press 2, then you press equal, then it clears off lah, okay? Or maybe you can press shift number 3, then equal again. But some of you might say, hey teacher, you see for this case I notice, okay, I press mode, then I press 1, it becomes the correct thing. So it's up to you, okay, on how to reset it back to the original calculator state. Now, so of course, this is like how we do it in SPM syllabus. So next, back to your case number 2 over here. So we have A, B, C again. So I'll be doing everything. So if let's say you already know how to do it, you can skip this thing already. So A, B, C. So our A is 6, then the B is negative 29, and C is 35. So why am I giving you 3 different cases here? Because there are some ways where your answer might be a bit different, okay? 1, 2, 3, you see I'm repeating it. 1, right side, 2, then A, so back to your 6. So 6, then your B will be negative 29. And after your C will be 35. So you see I'm inserting everything. So now you get 2.5. So no, so not 2.5. So what you have to do is to convert into fraction, but not mixed number, where you have to press shift, ABC, convert into improper. So once you convert into improper, so you write x equals to 5 over 2, that's the first one. Then you press equal again. See, oh, decimal, I don't want. So you press ABC, nope, I don't mix numbers. So you press shift, ABC, it becomes improper. So x equals to 7 over 3. Now, so after you insert all these, right, this is the main part where I want to sort of like reminds every student because calculator is like default, they put it X, but your question is Y. So remember, this is Y. This is the important thing that I want to mention it to you. Now, so after you get this thing, of course now, okay, I just put it aside. Okay, of course the reset thing will be one more time, shift mode 2 or maybe 3, up to you lah. Then you press equal, it resets to the original mode. Okay, now brackets equals to 0. Now, so in order to work backwards to get this answer, right, so what you do is, see, be careful, so you bring your divide 2 over, it becomes 2y, and then you bring your plus 5 over, it becomes minus 5. So that's how we insert it. But of course, all these circle, all these arrows in your exam, please do it. It's just that I'm explaining it. Now, so you bring the 3 over, it becomes 3y. You bring the plus 7 over, it becomes minus 7. So that's how you complete it. Okay, so as for case number 3, okay, so what happens here is it involves another case. So I will just quickly type it out. You see, quickly type it out. 1, 2, 3, 1, right 2, A is 3, B is negative 10, C is negative 8. So after you get this thing, so first X answer equals to 4, equal again, oops, shift ABC, but of course for this case you can just press ABC because it's like proper fractions. So X equals to negative 2 over 3. So just a quick trick for students, whenever you get negative in the middle, right, just put it to the top. It will be easier for you to handle. Okay, so now since you already make the negative to the top, okay, to the top, it will be easier to handle, right? So now standard lah, X minus 4, okay, you can refer to the workings at the side. Then you bring the 3 over, 3x, then you bring the minus 2 over, it becomes plus 2. So that's all about it. So this is the calculation on how to work it out when you are using fx-570 on your quadratic equations factorized skill. Okay, subscribe my channel, like, share, tag around, press the little bell button, and as well as